The third in our tutorial series for GIMP will introduce you to the basics of resizing images as well as cropping, rotating, and flipping images. These features are very similar to Photoshop, but how you do them in GIMP may differ. Start by having your document loaded into GIMP. You can see we have our image ready for moving it around. Once you want to resize your image, go to the Image drop-down, then to Scale Image. This is what resizing an image is called in GIMP. Once there, you can see the dialog box. The dialog box here for Scale Image lets you choose the width, height, and resolution of the image as you see fit. You can also change the quality of the image here as well. The Scale tool on the left here can also allow you to resize the image like a selection tool would in Photoshop. Just click the image and resize accordingly. Cropping an image also works similarly as you've seen it in Photoshop as well. Click on the Crop tool, the little knife icon, and you'll be allowed to make a selection over the image which will tell the tool where and what you want to crop. Click on the image again after selection to crop the image. Rotating the image, of course, works in a very simple way. The Rotate tool is next to the Crop tool, just to the right. Once you click on it, you can see the tool options below the tool, where you can do it by layer, or a selection similar to crop, or a much more advanced way through a path. We'll just use the layer Rotate. Click on the layer you want to rotate in the image, and you can use a slider to rotate left, or right, or set the angle yourself. To flip an image, click on the tool that looks like a book opening here on the toolbar. Set the preferred way to flip the image, horizontal or vertical on the tool options, and just click on the image. Easy. With this, you can move and rotate, flip and resize the image just the way you want to.